Excellence of mosque and praying place. God says, those who have got faith in God and the next world inhabit God's mosques. The Prophet said, if a man constructs a mosque for God, he constructs for himself a place in paradise. The Prophet said, if a man loves mosque, God loves him. He said, when one of you enters a mosque, let him pray 2 rakat before he sits down. He said, there is no prayer for mosque except inside the mosque. He said, angels like one of you until he keeps seating in his praying place. He says, O God, send blessings on him. O God, have mercy on him. Forgive him till he keeps his ablution and gets out of the mosque. The Prophet said, there will be some people among my followers who will come to the mosque and sit in groups. They will like to talk of this world and its matters. Do not sit with them. God has got no necessity for them. He said, God said in some of his books, mosques are my houses in this world, and my neighbors are those people in them who are habituated to go there. Good news is for one who keeps his house pure and then meets me in my house. He said, when you find a man visiting the mosque always, bear witness that he has got faith. He said, random talks inside the mosque consume virtues as animals eat grass. Hazrat Anas said, if a man gives a light in a mosque, angels and the bearers of the throne seek forgiveness for him till the light exists in the mosque. Hazrat Ali said, when a man dies, praying cloth in the world and his good deeds raised high in the sky weep for him. Then he said, the heavens and the earth did not weep for them and wait for them. Hazrat Ibn Abbas said, the world weeps for him for 40 days. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.